Recently, Beatty Floors had the opportunity to work on flooring needs for Vancouver's Bunny Cafe. This was one of our more rewarding projects we've had the opportunity to work on, knowing this cafe will be enjoyed by so many peaceful, loving individuals who take time to hold and cuddle bunnies as a true therapy for the soul. Both Dell and Michelle, the owners, approached Beatty Floors, needing assistance with their flooring. Never having tackled such a big renovation, they needed guidance from Beatty as to what was required to get the job done right. Vanessa Brelatic, Beatty's team lead on the project, brought in our general manager, Don Brelatic, and our installation manager, Bob Ford, to meet on site to address several issues with moisture, cracks, and subfloor deficiencies. The Bunny Cafe was looking for cost savings to see their dream business come to life, as they actually had started this project with a loss due to an inexperienced contractor. A must from the Vancouver City was to bring the subfloor up to industry standards for their business permit. Barry Miniker, and with Artix Industries, was kind enough to donate multiple bags of MC Rapid, P4 Primer, and V1000 self-leveling compound to remedy the subfloor deficiencies. Along with materials, Barry also donated his skills to help with the application process. We also had Derek Barron from Crom Contracting volunteer his time to grind the existing subfloor and help apply the self-leveling compound. Our GM, Don Brelatic, also volunteered his time applying the products and used the opportunity to teach our apprentice, David, the professional skills involved in leveling concrete flooring finish prior to installing a finished product. Dell, the owner of the Bunny Cafe, was also curious to learn, so Don had him gear up and help with the process too. All in all, we think everyone can agree that this project is one that turned out wascally wonderful. The clients were extremely grateful for everyone's help, and they were extremely happy with how it turned out. Products used: Artix MC Rapid, Artix P4 Primer, Artix V1000 self-leveling compound, over 60 bags, and Artix Henry 647 adhesive. On the Bunny side, we installed Ultra Safety Floor Walkway 20 sheet flooring in color Winter with 4-inch Johnsonite Cove base in color Celery. On the Cafe side, we installed Harbinger Essential Series Luxury Vinyl Plank in color Sonora and 4-inch Johnsonite Cove base in color Moonrock. If you have any questions or require any additional information for your next concrete flooring project or any flooring project, give us a call at 604-254-9571. See you at Beatty Floors.